Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to Castle Podcast Article.
Building Insight through Article.
Yeah.
Alright, this program where we dig deep into articles and journals to expand our horizon and knowledge. I am Ginaro Hadatul Aishi and my partner
Aisyah Nurjana.
Alright. And we will discuss two interesting journals related to English language teaching in this episode. In this episode, for tonight, we have our lecturer, our HITS lecturer.
HITS, yeah.
Welcome our lecturer, Mr. Dedi Sulaiman.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for coming here, Mr. Dedi. We will discuss two interesting articles.
Okay.
It is related into speaking.
Yeah, this is part of your department.
Yes.
Okay, master degree. We have brother Horizon, as you said. It is public speaking, and we have many articles related to English teaching, right?
That's right, sir. Thank you. And then start from the first article. It will start from me.
Okay.
The first journal title is Interactional Strategies in Public Speaking Class Used by Low Learners. By the author is Yuli Astutik. I think she is Indonesian. And it is taken from Journal of English Educators Society. From Jawa Timur, Indonesia.
Okay.
Because it is there is an address.
Yeah, single writer, Gina. Just Yuli Astutik, and this is published in Sintat too.
Yes.
Yeah, just 1%.
Okay. Before we're going to the article, sir, I just want to ask. This is about the public speaking. That as we know that you are a great speaker.
Thank you.
You already have many time flies.
Okay, yeah, yes. Because I like public speaking.
You're at the public speaking. So can you give us tips? Maybe you have anxiety or something like nervous.
Yeah, nervous is natural, Aisyah, Gina. But in our education, that is part of our importance as teacher. We have to encourage our students. We have to banish the nervousness of the students so that they can be independent. They can have a good confidence. I think confidence is not taught in our school, but this is the most important thing in our job, in our society, that is confidence. And this is interesting, because the title speaking class used by low learners, okay? And I think this is interesting because in our research, we have HOTS, high order thinking, but this is low learners. And I think how the research can be published, and this is the uniqueness of the writing, so that the article is published. But this is just a single writer, okay? English Education Study Program from Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo.
Yes. Single writer and the public speaking class, I think it is very rare. So that's why I choose this topic, because public speaking, I also start to learn the student with public speaking.
Okay, that's good.
It begins from when I see the picture on status WA from someone. Some skills that it should be taught in the school, and that's public speaking in the first number for taught in school. So that's why I take this article, and also I I try to
in some years ahead, Gina, Aisyah, probably we need LSP. If you have ever heard LSP, Lembaga Sertifikasi Profesi. Okay, in Indonesian we have LSP, and this is one of the one would be certified as public speaker. We have BNSP, Badan Nasional Sertifikasi Profesi. Yeah. If we have taught our students with public speaking, we have to certify them because the company need the certification for those who have passed the public speaking class.
That's nice if the student want to have a job or for the professional career. It is for have a certificate.
That is some years ahead. We have to read that the company will need certificates for the student, not only ability of public speaking, but we need certification. That's why you as the teacher, you have to give the skills to your students with a good public speaking. And then would you like to tell the story of the article, Gina, the first received until published? From, if I'm not mistaken, this is from the same year, again, August 2017, first received, and then accepted in October, and published in the same month, the same year. So I think this is a good idea for us to submit the article to this journal again, Aisyah.
Yeah, because in the same year. Very fast.
Yes,
the article history is received in 21st August 2017, accepted to October 2017, and published in 5th October 2017. It is only August, September, and October, only 2 months. 2 months, and from the accepted until published, it is only 3 days. So it's the fast track. Maybe.
We can learn. This is one of the fast track of the journal, so that you can submit to the sites. Okay, Gina, what is the content of the article? Would you like to elaborate with me?
Let's see and let's share and discuss about the introduction first. Learning strategy in second language acquisition used by learners to help them boost their learning to obtain English language. I think the learning strategy is become an umbrella of the
strategy.
And then commonly, learners do not realize that applying learning strategies in speaking is able to overcome their difficulties in speaking, such as pronunciation, lexis, grammar problem, awareness, attitude, and feeling problems. Researchers gain the data from the students who have problems on speaking area. So this is the introduction from the author itself. She is experiences from the students who have problems on speaking area. We can go to the next slide. And this is the purposes of the study. To know whether low learners use interactional strategies or not in public speaking class. The second is what interactional strategies mostly used by low learners. And the third is to know the factors that cause this problem. Now, the methods of this study used in this study is qualitative research. The researchers conducted observation and interviews to collect the data. And the unique one, there are 6 students who get score D, become a participant. That's why the title is by low learners. So this is a purposive sampling maybe, because the researcher already got the student score, so he or she took 6 students who get the score to become a participant, and it is such a nice insight for us because it can be our next experience too.
Yeah, again, I think this is a good idea that we are as lecturers, as teachers, we don't emphasize to the successful students only, but we have to care about the low learners, right? We have to be fair with many students, with all students. And this is a good idea for her to take the 6 students who got D, okay, and then she conduct the research with them.
Yes.
Yeah, we have to be fair that this is not successful student who are the participant, the respondent of our research, but they also have the privilege.
Yes,
as the subject, as the participant, then how to improve, how to increase their ability in speaking. I think this is good research. And this is a good insight for us that we have to care for the other student who got C or D or low motivation. We have to conduct research for them.
It is nice insight.
Yeah.
So how about you, Miss Aisyah? Maybe you can give your insight. How about what is your opinion about take 6 students who get score D? Is it good or?
Do you have any experience as a teacher or probably as a friend, so with your classmates, something?
Actually, I'm not a teacher yet. And I think the researcher took 6 students who get score D is a good idea, so that she is not only focused on the higher score student, but also she can check the student who get a lower score.
Okay, do you have any experience when you were in undergraduate level, Aisyah or Gina, and then your friends got the low motivation, low score? What did you do with that kind of experience, Aisyah?
Yeah, when I was in a undergraduate study, my friends were got a low motivation.
Low motivation.
And what it is I asked them to make a group and when we in her room we talk each other in English, so it can boost her motivation.
Okay, I have supervised one undergraduate level. The title of the thesis is The Preparation for English Speaking Class. Okay, the preparation is the object of the research, and then that is thesis. So, I mean, how the students prepare for public speaking, that is the data. This is not a formal, because formal is public speaking class, but this is the preparation, as you said, in the boarding house, probably in cost, in his or her house, that the students must prepare for public speaking. That the preparation is the data for the research. Yeah, it could be.
Could be because the preparation it is kind of like a practice, right?
Yeah, practice. Yeah, practice, and then the material to practice, the improvement, the treatment. That is how the researcher can conduct the research before the subject. Is there any other one to deliver again?
Okay, I think it is finding and discussion, and this we can go to the next slide.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the finding discussion from the table. The table itself conducted in from student 1, student 2, 3, 4, 5 until 6. And then the interactional strategies. The first is exemplification, confirmation check, comprehension check, repetition, clarification, request, repetition, request, exemplification, request, and the last is
assistant appeal.
Assistant appeal. So from these findings, we can discuss that 6 students all have the repetition for the interactional strategies repetition, and then it's only 2 students that using exemplification, and we can see this is from the conclusion. Among 6 slow learners, only 2 did not apply any interactional strategies in all situations. 4 learners used 3 until 4 interactional strategies when acting as the speakers. And this is the repetition was the most commonly used in interactional strategy. 2 is it was applied for an appropriate reason, such as forgetting the speech and repeating words or sentences. This is why the order is using the low learners. I think this is become the best conclusion for her
research.
Her research.
Okay, this is good because as a teacher, as sources, we have to use these sources, this research, on how to improve lower learners.
Yes, and the best to improve lower learners is from their motivation.
Motivation,
common when we choose the best student, and like for the example, 1 until 5, the highest score, and then we see how their preparation, how they have public speaking in the classroom, but we often forget about the lower learners. Great research. So I think in the future this is become the base of our research for making Sintatu, inshallah.
That is right, Gina. This is not an easy one for us as teacher, as lecturer to motivate students, right? It's because, student has the history, the background, the family, and then the motivation to learn. This, it will spend many times to motivate because changing mindset is not an easy thing. We have to do to motivate students repeatedly, right?
Okay.
I think that's all for your research, okay, Sintatu, and I hope that this is the last podcast for us, and you have motivation to write an article published in Sintatu like this.
Inshallah. We have a lot of insight from the first episode until the last. Yes,
until the
because
last.
it is different.
Different case, different insight. Okay, thank you again.
From the first article, the second article is Aisha.
And Aisha will bring the place of storytelling research in English language teaching. The state of the arts. Wow, the state of the arts. Aisha, please.
Okay, thank you, Tegina. Okay, before we talk about the article, I wanna introduce the journal's profile first. Okay, the name of the journal is Voices of English Language Education Society, or called as VELS Journal. It is indexed by Sintatu and published by Universitas Hamzah Wadi from West Nusa Tenggara. And the author fees for published an article is 1,500,000 rupiah.
Okay, so we have the nominal.
It is a very complete.
And this is natural because in the website this is stated, right? Stated
for the authors.
Okay, go on.
And the next information is the published issue. The journal publishes the issue 3 times a year in April, August, and December. And for more information, you can access the website in ejournal.hamzahwadi.ac.id. And you can find out more detailed information about this journal.
In Nusa Tenggara.
Nusa Tenggara.
Okay. So if you will finish your study in August again, Aisha. So you have to prepare. We have April here and August. April and August. So I think this is also an easiness for us, Aisha. Again, I can supervise your thesis, and then we have our focus on April or August. So when this is published, so for me, your thesis is done?
Because it is have several months to done, you said. So
yeah, this is October here. October. If your proposal, when will you have the defense for the proposal? December. So December we have January, February, March, April. 4 months. This is enough. Okay, so from Gina and Aisha, we have the ease of journal publication. The fees is 1,500,000. I think this is affordable. Okay, please go on, Aisha.
Okay, now let's talk about the article entitled "The Place of Storytelling Research in English Language Teaching: The State of the Art" by Ginting et al. In 2023.
Last year.
Here the abstract. The study focused on examining the effectiveness of storytelling in language education, on how it can improve the language skills, not only one, but it can improve listening, reading, writing, and speaking ability.
Okay.
And here for the introduction, the storytelling is more than a teaching method. It is a powerful tool for conveying messages and lessons.
Okay.
And there are 4 main theories that the author used to strengthen their study about the storytelling. There are cognitive, linguistic, embodied cognition, and emotional engagement theories.
Wow, this is complete. Yeah, so we have theories, Aisha, with cognitive, linguistic, embodied cognition theory, and emotional engagement. That's why I think we can learn from the journal that storytelling for us as teachers, just storytelling. But when this is conducted as a research, as journal, we have to take some theories. There are many theories from, you can read it.
Okay, and by examining storytelling in various contexts and from those several theories, the study aims to uncover how these cognitive dynamics enhance language instruction. And the findings seeks to provide educators with insight to refine teaching strategies using storytelling to improve learning outcomes. For example, in the emotional engagement, when the teacher tell a story in the classroom, she can ask students to be emotional engagement by ask them to be a character in the story, and it can be powerful to be remembered by the students.
Okay, that's a good idea.
And then the methodology. The study used comprehensive literature review on in-class storytelling that structured keyword search from 2011 to 2022. Using inclusion criteria that the study must focus on storytelling impact on learning. After that, the data was screening. Screening used 2 stages screening, and then the last stages are data synthesis using content coding, informed effect size calculated for storytelling impact on academic achievement.
Okay, this is a complex methodology, and you have to know, because I think storytelling is nearest term for us as teacher. We are teaching with storytelling, right? We have stories and we have to tell the students. And the data synthesis, content coding, Aisha, and then informed effect sizes calculated for storytelling's impact on academic achievement. Okay, go on, Aisha.
And then here the findings and discussion. Besides improving the language skills, it also improves the creativity and imagination.
Okay.
Can foster creativity that allow learners to explore different perspectives and ideas. And by providing learning with a meaningful, memorable context and opportunities for imaginative exploration. So they can more imagine how the story takes place and how the setting it can make a students more creative and imaginative.
Yeah, I agree with you. Agree with the writers.
With the writers. And then the second finding, it can improve reading comprehension.
Okay.
Reading stories improve reading skills, vocabulary acquisition, and critical thinking. Then the next finding, it also improves listening comprehension. Some study here demonstrates significant improvement with storytelling and extensive listening. So the students who participate in listening to English story can retell their story in their own words.
Okay.
And then the speaking skills, it can improve in pronunciation and fluency. It can boost speaking performance. And the last one is a writing skill. Creative writing activities improve sentence complexity, grammar, creativity, and confidence. So that's all. The language skill can be improved using storytelling and also make students more creative and imaginative.
Okay, yeah. We can learn from Sinta too. I think this is the last session where we have Anissa and Bian. But in these two journals, we can learn that the easiness of acceptance, and then the research, and then the affordable price.
Okay. The key.
Yeah, for us the key. Gina or Aisha, do you have any last statement? What is the learning point of the journal from you and from you? Gina first. What is the learning point for us?
Okay, the point of the instructional strategies for public speaking low learners. The idea from the article is so rich, which is the author already give us insight, and I think we can see other side when the example is from interactional strategies. Maybe we can find something like avoiding mistake. That's the maybe we can see the umbrella of the interactional strategies itself, and avoiding, for example, maybe repairing. It is become the new insight, and maybe we can take the title from that.
Okay, I think I hope that you can write the article like this. Okay, Gina and Aisha, what is the learning point you can get from the article?
The first is the content of the article about the storytelling. That storytelling can improve many things in language skills. It can improve the creativity, imagination, and listening, speaking, writing, and writing. And for the journal writing, I learned that how to write Sinta 2. We should add many reference in the journal, since this journal has more than 4 pages of reference.
Okay, 4 pages for the references. Okay, that is the learning point. I think that's all. Thank you, Aisha and Gina, for your reading report of your Sinta 2 journal. You can close the program.
All right, thank you, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Mr. Dennis channel. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.